Now, why automation? Automation as a career. See, there are typical unique features of automation field. One is it's a global business or it's a global career, because when we talk about automation engineering, it is all about the ready-made parts which are being used in automation or automated machines. Now, when it comes to different ready-made parts in pneumatics, in hydraulics, in electrical, in electronics, they are all multinational companies who manufacture such parts like dies, PLCs, sensors, and pneumatics. So these are ABB, Siemens, Festo, and so many companies. Now, since these are multinational companies, same products are being used all over the world. And so, suppose one has the knowledge of all these products, then naturally his knowledge is in demand all over the world. So the career is global. What else? This automation field, the same knowledge is required in different industrial segments. What is that? See, industry is divided into different segments like paper, metal, pharma, power, and whatnot. Imagine that you have certain knowledge of pharma and you work as a production engineer over there for the next 5 years, and suddenly you realize that there is recession in pharma segment, and now you feel that you need to change to metal segment. Will it be possible? Certainly not, because your knowledge, your experience is restricted to the pharma field, and your experience will be valued only in the pharma field. But that is not so in automation. If you are an automation engineer in pharma field, then you will have so much knowledge about the automation products. Now, the same products are being used in different industrial segments like metal and paper, and so your knowledge is valued there also. So even if you work for around 5 to 10 years in one segment, and that segment is you feel that it's not prosperous in future, then you might think of, you have a chance of changing the line. So that is the beauty of automation field. And additionally, each and every company will use automated machines. So it will either use an automated machine or it will manufacture automated machines. So there are only two types of industries, user and manufacturer, and both type of industries require automation engineers. So it is always better to choose automation as a career.